The EMA explicitly is right now at $0, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The $0 level for SPELL USD explicitly is areas of strength for truly, generally is very critical. SPELL USD sort of is defined with opposition level of R1 at $0.00096090, which explicitly is very huge. Bears control spells fundamentally current cost activities, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The 2nd of June 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through explicitly spell truly token cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and really attempt to answer these regularly truly got clarification on some things. What in every practical sense is most certainly momentary cost expectation for in every way that really matters. Spell token explicitly is especially spell and especially wise speculation. Spell token help and obstruction levels and so forth, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. Be that as it may, prior to jumping extremely profound into the spell specialized investigation, sort of allowed us basically to discuss the especially current economic situations, which explicitly is very critical. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours. There fundamentally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital money market to $1,143,010,892,478. The fundamentally all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $31,276,248,695 in every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 45.93% of the entry market while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33%, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,095.20 level after a vertical development of 0.76% in a really significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM especially has seen a cost increment of 1.6% coming to $1,891.67 during the past 24 hours, which fundamentally shows that SPELL USD by and large is faced with obstruction level of R1 at $0.00096090, or so they truly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $306.77. Following a value change of 0.6% inside a similar time span, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP by and large, is up by 1.98 and presently exchanging at 52 cents, which generally is genuinely huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which especially shows that SPELL USD for the most part is faced with obstruction level of R1 at $0.00096090 in a kind of enormous manner. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a really descending course for genuinely present moment, or so they basically thought. As of now, and in every practical sense, general fundamentally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. Spell pretty symbolic help and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized pointers used to truly recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which really is very huge. Support most certainly is a level at which purchasers certainly become considerably more by and large dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they certainly thought. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which dealers explicitly become move pretty dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving genuinely higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following especially are the help and obstruction levels of generally spell kind of token market examination over the very last 24 hours. There basically was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,143,010,892,478, which especially shows that XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP especially, is up by 1.98 and right now exchanging at 52 cents. Or so they basically thought. The fundamentally complete exchanging volume essentially remains at $31,276,248,695, which sort of shows that SPELL USD truly is faced with obstruction level of R1 at $0.00096090 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 45.93% of the entry market while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33% in a kind of significant manner, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,095.20 level after a vertical development of 0.76% in a truly significant manner. various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a cost increment of 1.6% coming to $1,891.67 during the past 24 hours, which certainly is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $306.77, following a value change of 0.6% inside a similar time period, showing how the AMA basically is as of now at $0 in unobtrusive manner. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP especially, is up by 1.98 and presently exchanging at 52 cents. Showing that the 2nd of June 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through sort of spell genuinely token cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these regularly sort of gotten clarification on some pressing issues. What in every practical sense is essentially transient cost expectation for explicitly spell token generally is truly spell for the most part wise venture, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, truly further appearance how which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,095.20 level after a vertical development of 0.76% in a for the most part significant manner. These occasions show that the market explicitly is going in a descending course for truly present moment. So SPELL USD really is stood up to with opposition level of R1 at $0.00096090, which for the most part is genuinely critical. As of now, a genuinely broad kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an exceptionally significant manner. Spell really token help and obstruction backing and opposition for the most part are significant specialized markers used to in every practical sense distinguish key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, or so they basically thought. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers essentially become commonly more genuinely dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Truly further appearance how as of now, a general really regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition for the most part is a level at which vendors sort of become sort of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving genuinely higher in a huge manner. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of in a real sense spell especially token, while spell's Williams %R pointer basically is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange fundamentally signal by and large is essentially conceivable at this reach. Pretty further appearance how especially spell especially token help and opposition levels and so on, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. The SPELL USD moving fundamentally normal combination and dissimilarity pointer explicitly is demonstrating a present moment truly sell genuinely signal, as the MACD line in a real sense is moving beneath truly signal line, which basically implies explicitly bears for the most part are overwhelming on the lookout, showing how as of now, a by and large broad certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which basically is very critical. According to the cost examination, the spell cost may in a real sense track down help at these significant degrees of $0. Moving underneath these levels could in a real sense carry